And then at this point, we're going to click on the transfer button, which is going to give us the option to withdraw the BNB. So we're going to click on withdraw, and then you have the option here to do it with Crypto.com users or an external wallet. In this case, it's going to be an external wallet. At this point, we have to add a new wallet. So we're going to click on the plus button here. We're now going to paste in the address, and you can also give this a name. So I'm going to call this Trust Wallet BNB, and then we're going to click on the blue continue button. Now at this point, you have to determine whether or not you trust this address. Since we just grabbed it ourselves, as you saw, I'm going to click yes, I trust this address. And just like that, we have now added this to our list of wallet addresses. So what we're going to do now is click on the withdraw button in the right, and then we're going to click on confirm and withdraw. And at this point, you enter the dollar amount that you want to send over. So in this case, we're going to be doing $50 worth of BNB. So let me go ahead and change that over to 50. And then we're going to click on the withdraw button. And at this point, we can confirm the transaction. So we're going to be paying a small fee here of 0.005 BNB. And if everything looks good here, we're going to click on the confirm button at the bottom. And just like that, the BNB withdraw request has been submitted. I'm not sure how long it will take. I'll keep you posted once we receive it in the Trust wallet, and then we will take things forward from there. And we actually received this near immediately. I would say it took about 20 seconds, and just like that, we now have a BNB balance of $46.39.